This is CBS News New York.
New York City has not faced a storm of this scale in the last decade.
Now on CBS News New York, a nor'easter with blizzard conditions bearing down on the tri-state area. The snow continues falling at this hour.
And the totals are still climbing. Some areas receiving more than a foot of snow. Other areas only a few inches at this time. We've got team coverage out on the elements in New York and New Jersey. Good morning. On this Monday, February 23rd, I'm Chris Raggi.
I'm Mary Calvi. Here's what you need to know. The storm is still going strong. High winds will remain throughout the morning. Good news for the kids. There will be a traditional snow day for New York City. That means no remote learning today. You can leave your car where it is, too. Alternate side parking is suspended.
Pretty much a snow day everywhere around here. Let's get right over to Tony Sadiga with your first alert forecast. Tony, good morning.
Good morning, guys. Yeah, for a city that's always on the go, I mean, we're basically halted by this powerful nor'easter. Widespread impacts all day long. The worst of it through this morning. Blizzard conditions likely. And that's what we're tracking on this first alert weather day. Let's pull up the radar to show you where we're still seeing some intense conditions. And it's most of the tri-state right now, but there's some variety. As you know, it's been Suffolk. It's been getting hammered by intense snow. Now it's filling in. Now you're seeing some good snows over Nassau. That's going to pretty much land into Queens and Brooklyn here in a little bit. Snow's lightening up a little bit there. Northern Westchester through Rockland, intense snowfall rates right through Bergen, so Paramus to Patterson, all the way through a place like West Orange down to the south in Middlesex, where we talked about earlier. Significant snow continues to pile up there. Less far north and west, but the coast still getting clobbered with snow. We'll expect those snow rates to continue over the next couple of hours with temperatures hanging out in the low 30s. Winter storm alerts, we've got them. We got all of them. We got blizzard warnings in effect through 6 p.m. tonight. We will see if that hangs on, but the bottom line is the visibility is going to be compromised, not to mention because of the winds, as I'll show you here, we still have those impacts here closing in. So let me show you this. It's widespread, blowing or falling snow. Those are the impacts, winds that are going 35 miles an hour. So these conditions are possible. It's going to take until post-storm for the Weather Service to look at all the data and to confirm whether or not we had a blizzard. But the last time we had a blizzard in New York City was a decade ago, and we're certainly in that criteria for much of the area today. Poor visibility, city along the coast, as that snow continues to be compounded with gusty winds, so it's just creating a travel mess on the roads. We've been chatting all morning long with the team, and John, Elliott, I want to send it back over to you. I want to know how the journey has been to Manasquan and what conditions are looking like right now. I hear those gusty winds.
I don't think you should be standing in the light.
I got to tell you, Tony, the journey was hard enough because you'd get behind a caravan of plows. You got to give the plow plenty of room. But now we're in Manasquan, so water's right there, inlet's right there, and you can see, wow, it's just wind whipped. Now, we just had a little transformer pop, so I think these houses just lost power, and this light is just now coming back on. You can see these are roadways. So these are roadways. Look at all the stuff you got to get through, and these we just had 3 go through here. So you still have snow falling. You've got wind blowing. This is a really, really dense snow. It's going to be very heavy to move. Tony, I'm so glad that you're talking about the definition of a blizzard, because so much of that is visibility. You are in and out of just these blinding bands of snow, so that's why you've got to give these crews plenty of time. I mean, look at this, Vince. This is amazing. So the wind comes this way, and you can see almost the outline because it graduates down because you don't have as much wind. So the wind will help right here. But by the way, see, now this is almost pure ice, too. Wow. Okay, whoa. So it's a fascinating study in physics. As a geek, I'm intrigued by it, but I know as homeowners or somebody who's trying to get to work today, this is going to be a real challenge. You have got to factor in extra time, got to watch your step, because the wind can knock you over. I know Allie's got it worse by about 5 to 7 out on the island, but it's really bad here on the Jersey Shore too. So the best thing to do is just stay where you are and listen to the dulcet tones of Guy Stanier as he tells you how bad traffic is if you have to go out in it.
Well, John, there's really not much traffic as most people are heeding the warnings and staying at home. A full travel ban remains in place for both New York City and New Jersey until at least 7 a.m. or until conditions can improve. This means that all non-essential vehicles must stay off the roads. The earliest officials will consider reopening the roadways is 7 a.m. in New Jersey and noon for New York. Checking in with mass transit, we have a full suspension for NJ Transit. The rail, buses, light rail, and Access Link are all suspended. LIRR fully suspended. Path trains are suspended between Newark and Journal Square. And Metro North plans to run on an hourly schedule along the Harlem, Hudson, and New Haven lines today. However, that is subject to conditions. Taking a live look at one of the few cameras we can see. This is the Lincoln Tunnel. You can see the snow falling, the winds shaking the trees out there. Definitely stay at home until officials deem it safe to travel. Alternate side parking is suspended today citywide, but you still have to pay to meters. Chris, Mary?
And Guy, will head straight to Long Island now, where they could get 1.5 to 2 feet of snow. NASA and Suffolk counties, of course, under a state of emergency.
But it's the wind that is so brutal out there. Allie Bauman joins us live from Hop Hog with a look at the conditions right now. Allie.
It's the wind, you say? Is right, the wind. I think that, listen, the control room has to be laughing at me right now because I came out here a few minutes ago, waiting for the live shot, and I was standing like this to try to block the snow from going in my face, and then all of a sudden the wind completely changed course and I got smacked in the face with a bunch of snow, and I changed this way, and then the wind changed again. So I've just been standing here like this, not knowing which is safe, which way. Can you believe I actually put makeup on this morning? How naive I was when I first woke up, thinking that anyone would see my face today, because after my last hit at 4 something, my mom texted me and she said, I've never seen you do a live shot on air where your face was like fully covered. And it's true, because normally I come out here and right before the live shot I'll take the hood off and I'll just suck it up for the 3 minutes or whatever. I physically can't do that because it's just completely blinding, even just standing here. Now, the snow has been coming down and the wind has been just completely relentless. Our light just went out. If you can still see me, I do want to show you. As you can see how deep the snow is where I'm standing. If you want to walk with me over here and see just some of the cars that are parked in this parking lot here in Hop Hog where we are, the top of the car isn't really that snowy. There's a little bit there. I threw him for a loop here. I'm sorry, Alex. The top of the car isn't really that snowy because the wind is just blowing it everywhere. So even though the ground is accumulating, you can see how strong the wind is where it's just not accumulating like they did in the last storm, where by now it would have been, up to here. Now, behind me, Yep, just got hit again. The snowplow guy behind me, he's been driving around all night. His name is Tyler. He's been working hard on these roads that are just completely treacherous, as there's been, a travel advisory that roads should not be, or cars should not be on the road. We talked to him a little bit ago. Take a listen.
Still dangerous. We're slipping and sliding, so, even if you're in a small car, suggest stay home.
Have you seen a lot of people on the roads?
I've seen a little bit of people. When I was coming here, there was a lot more people than there are now. But earlier today, there was a lot more people than there should have been.
I've even seen you go do this parking lot alone a few times. You're plowing, and then how fast is it accumulating?
By the time I turn around, it's already accumulating. It's crazy. Like, I just do circles and just circles and just circles and just circles over the same thing.
And Tyler, you're going to be out here for a few more hours, you said. How are you getting through it?
Red Bull, and Red Bull.
Yeah, I'm about to get my second Red Bull, I think, after this. Now, I want to take you behind the curtain a little bit. We're right now just in the parking lot of the hotel that we stayed at last night in Hop Hog. And we moved locations in the parking lot from one side to the other so we could help them out and let them, plow where we were parked. Even just moving from one side of the parking lot to the other, we were driving, and Alex and Joe, the photojournalist I'm with here, were the ones driving. I was the passenger princess, and we really could not see like a few feet in front of us. It is just so dangerous. So I really just can't emphasize enough. That's just 2 cars driving in a parking lot. The roads are a mess right now. It's really the visibility, so I can't emphasize enough. just heed the warnings of everyone who's telling you to stay off the roads this morning for as long as you possibly can. I'm going to get back inside. I'm sure my mascara that I, for some reason, put on this morning is running all over my face. So, Chris and Mary, I'll send it back to you for now.
Okay, Allie, it's incredible the wind conditions out there, though. Seriously, you're handling it like a trooper. I wish I could say that it's going to be ending soon, but it doesn't look like it. So get back inside, and we'll check back in with you shortly. Crazy to think of what it's like out there on Long Island right now, right?
Snow piling up. I mean, by the hour.
Yeah, and even further out east, I mean, the wind. Let's get to meteorologist, Tony, in the virtual studio right now. Tony, you can see and kind of commiserate with what she's going through out there. Yeah, no doubt. And I got to tell you, from my perspective, it looks beautiful, right? I mean, you've got this blizzard going on, but I'm saying that from a cozy studio here. Tough conditions to be out there. Visibility is challenged. And as you can see, even from our broadcast center, that snow is piling up. It's creating messy conditions on the roads. Thankfully, there's nobody on the roads. Snows continue to come down steady and heavy through the next 3 hours, the most intense. And it should still be steady, guys, for another 6 before we'll start to see a lot of this start to wind down. But we've got hours to go.